other than that, what's going on, fans? There's your garbage truck recording of the week. Alrighty, well, that is your garbage truck recording for today. Obviously, I don't do garbage truck recordings very often when it's the weekends, but, you know, winter weather has affected us. Cold snap has affected us. So, that's why the garbage truck is here. But that's one of the old trucks. We'll be right back after... Okay, I'm gonna let them pick up that can, then we'll be right back. Alright, we'll be right back after this short break. Alright, well there's your garbage truck. But I'm really hoping that starting in February we can use music for the garbage truck recordings. The reason I haven't used music in this garbage truck recording and the other one was because these are considered as unexpected garbage truck recordings, and oh goodness, drop some trash. Come on, y'all. And I should have bought my gloves, because now I am freezing my hands off. Tell you what, let's set up the tripod so I won't be freezing my hands off. That's what you know what, I think that's what I'm gonna do. We'll be right back. You know what, we'll be right back. Okay, there we go. That way I ain't freezing my hands off, because it is cold out here. And my hands start to hurt once, But yeah, these garbage trucks have been considered as unexpected garbage truck recordings. And what I mean by unexpected garbage truck recordings, that means that I'm out of school because of weather day, and it hits on a Friday, or they come on a weekend that I'm not unaware of, or they come on a weekend that I'm unaware of, to put it simply put. Anyways, guys, do you guys remember this phenomenon? I don't know if you guys remember this phenomenon in 2014 or not, but Snowmageddon 2014 was one of the worst snow events in history. Snowmageddon 2014 was also considered the worst cold snap of all times. And so, not tomorrow, but on January 28th, I'm going to go live and talk to you guys about what happened on Snowmageddon 2014, what went wrong that day, and how can we get better today. Okay? That's what we're going to do. And oh my goodness, he just knocked down another cart. He's going to be wrong for that one day. My question is, why are they keeping my cart closed and opening up the other carts? Like, really? They're wrong for that. And looks like he saw me on camera. I don't even know how they are able to see from all the way down there. I would consider this as homecoming week. Finally! The garbage truck beeping sound is working. It's been a darn while since I last saw it working. I'm gonna let them honk. man, we can't see anything. And he opened that can too. It's either open all the carts up or close all the carts up. But you know what? It has been cold snapping this entire time I'm filming the garbage truck. We're gonna let them go. We're gonna watch us they escape from here. Alrighty, well that will be it for today. And speaking of that will be it for today, let's turn the camera over. Well, the past 2 weeks has been unexpected garbage truck recordings, but thankfully I'm able to catch it, even if it's cold snapping out here, even if it's there was severe storms or something like that. But other than that, I've been able to catch garbage trucks, even if that happens. Thank you for joining us for today's garbage truck recordings. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I don't know when our next garbage truck recording will be. That is a great question. Other than that, thank you for watching. See you next time for another video.